Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and I'm super excited to be bringing you today's video because it is one of my most favorite videos to film, and that is a DIY professional hair color tutorial. So if you've ever gotten highlights that you weren't a fan of, or if you have in quarantine tried to lighten your hair and you've gotten less than perfect results, especially at the roots, this video is for you. So I'm going to be showing you how to go from this dreaded mess to this more toned and blended salon result. So normally in salons, after doing a highlight or any lightening service, we tend to go in with an acidic conditioning gloss. Now yes, these are pigmented, so not only are you going to get shine, hence the gloss part, you are also going to get the tonal values from the color in them. So a few days ago, I added some baby lights to my roots to just kind of break it up and brighten it up a little bit, and I purposely did not tone at all. If you guys want to see how I did that, I've already done a full video on how I baby light and do a root tap on myself, so I'll link that below if you want to see that. But as you can see, without any toning or any root tap whatsoever, this is what we're left with. And also just to show you a little trick that I have to smoke out the roots more flawlessly without using a ton of colors. So that's what I'm going to be bringing you today, and I'm going to be showing you step by step. So as you can see, we start here with really kind of a boxy start to the highlights. So I'm going to be using two different formulas to tone my hair. So for the roots, I'm going to be using the Redkens Shades EQ8N. And for my all over toner, I'm going to be using Redkens Shades EQ in 09P. So my trick here is to apply just to that very beginning of the highlight, so basically doing a root tap. And what I end up doing is process that for a little bit longer than I do the rest of the root area. So I applied the root tap, wait about 10 minutes, and then I'm going to go in and tone the rest of that root area. But instead of painting down and possibly creating some sort of a unwanted line, I went in a diagonal pattern to keep that line really soft. So once that root toner has processed for about 5 minutes, and I only have about 5 minutes for the whole root tap and root toner to be completely processed, I'm going to go ahead and mix my all over toner. Now my hair is quite porous and it sucks up toner, especially on my blonder pieces. So I'm really just going to flash tone and leave this on for a few minutes. And that is it, you guys. My super simple root and all over toner formula. So as you can see, the baby lights are definitely still there. The goal was not to give me extra roots coming down. However, they are more muted than the ends of my hair. So it just gives you more of that beautiful gradient that just emulates a natural hair color. So I think one of the biggest issues with someone trying to tone at home is that they normally will go in with a toner that actually has lift. And now, at least 5 or 6 years ago, I did put out a video using the Wella T11 and T18 toners. I was absolutely desperate to find anything that was available to the public. To be honest, the T11, the T18 toners are not bad. The only issue is that they're made for hair that's already lightened. Because it does lift hair, if placed on anything below a level 9, so basically any light to medium brown, it will just lift the hair and actually leave you with really warm, orangey, unwanted tones. Alright guys, so I hope this video was helpful, and also if you'd like a personalized assessment, maybe you can get a virtual consultation with me. I will leave information for that in the description box as well. All right, hope you're all doing well. I love you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.